Are bar chords supposed to hurt? Yeah, in the beginning, yeah. They do hurt, right? Here's the thing. It's how you respond to the hurt and what you do about it, okay? Now, disclaimer, right? If your fingers are like super sore, the wrist, the arm, take a break, take a break, take a break. If your hand is super hurting, don't push. Do not try and push through it. There's a difference between your hand being a bit tired or your wrist or your arm and it like being an ache. Aches, you rest for a longer period of time. Now, depending on the type of hurt, like for example, here's one. Let's say you're on it and you are playing your G major bar chord shape and you can play it for a minute and your hand's kind of sore. That's pretty okay. You rest. But if you're making the bar chord shape and it actually hurts and it feels like a strain to go and get it, yeah, like it's not supposed to be that sore, in my experience anyways. So in that event, you might have been playing too much bar chords, so just give it a rest, okay? And come back to it a few days later. Now I do some brilliant tips for bar chords. If you want to find out my top tips for bar chords, you're going to find them below this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of your guitar questions answered, and I'll see you in the next lesson.